If you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2025 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to resolve the issue and ensure your game saves are properly synced. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can prevent cloud saves from syncing properly. Step 2. Restart Steam. Close the Steam application completely and then restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the Steam servers and may resolve temporary issues with cloud saves. Step 3. Verify game files. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. From there, go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Clear Steam Cloud Data. Go to Steam Settings, then select Cloud. Here, you can choose to clear the cloud data for the specific game that is causing the error. This will reset the cloud save data, allowing for a fresh sync. Step 5. Re-enable cloud saves. After clearing the cloud data, go back to the game's properties and ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. This will allow the game to sync your saves with the cloud again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error 2025 on your Steam Deck. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.